Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 41 of Surah Al-Maida. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الرسول لا يحزنك الذين يسارعون في الكفر يا 4 counts long. Ay, Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached to ya. Ya will get sif of number whenever wow. Okay. Whenever wow and ya are with tashdid, they get nabar. And nabar is jump of sound. This is equal to nabar. And nabar is jump of sound. When you are attaching hamza with ya, here you are creating nabar. Ay. And with dhamma, the ya will be very normal and soft. You, her. For fatha upon jaws attached ra will be heavy because there is fatha on top of it, and her give tawassut har, and then with fatha the ra will be heavy. Ra su for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu for the circle lips, the sound is short. La 2 counts long. Yah, yeah is soft for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it is from your throat. Yah zun zun for the circle lips, and this ikhfa is light. So when you are creating it, your tongue should be in a straight position, and your lips should be in a straight position too. Kal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sif of tawassut kal, and for fatha the sound is short. La the make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. You for the circle lips, the sound is soft. Sa 2 counts long. Ri for kasra give e sound. Ru I am from your throat, make it 2 counts long and circle your lips. Na for fatha upon jaws. Feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Kuf for the circular lips attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of hams and rakhawa. Kuf. Ri for ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. For kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws, then attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. La with fatha, the sound short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is make it. Qaf is heavy and make it 2 counts long. Lu for the circle lips, make it 4 counts long. But because this is not munfasil, jaiz, make it 2 counts long. Hamza, the sound of hamza is very sharp. Man for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa off gunna, and gunna is this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound. F hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. F wa the makhraj of waw is circling your lips, make it 2 counts long. He for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut, then ruling is idhar. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. 2 for dhamma circle lips, this the sound of ta is very sharp, and attached with hamza, the sound of hamza is sharp too. So there is no flow of sound at all. And as you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position because they were circled because of the ta before. To ming for kasra give e sound, and this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. So this ikhfa is heavy. To make this ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up. Ming qaf is heavy for the circle lips. Lu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Bu for the circle lips, the sound is short. For the circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is uh, medium flow of sound. So here we find mu'anaqa again. This is mu'anaqa. So one set of mu'anaqa and there's another set of mu'anaqa. So these two are called mu'anaqa, and you are stopping on either one of the stops. You can stop here or you can stop here. You cannot stop on both mu'anaqats. Okay, you cannot stop on those three dots, both three dots. Okay, and if you don't want to stop on both of these three dots, you can. So there are option that you can stop on first stop and continue your recitation, or you can stop on second stop and you continue your recitation, but you cannot stop on both of these stops. For واو circle your lip, the makhraj of واو circling your lips for fatha open jaw. Me for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Nal for fatha open jaws attach with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. La for fatha the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Ha 2 counts long. Do for the circle lips make it 2 counts long. Sam for fatha open jaws attach it. Me will get sifa off. Unna, this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Ru ain from your throat for fatha open for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Lil for kasra give e sound attach it. Lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ka kaf has no hums for fatha open jaws, the sound is very clear. The for kasra give e sound. B for kasra give e sound, and the sound is short. Sam for fatha open jaws attached with me will get for gunna, and gunna is this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Ru for the circulars make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Li for kasra give e sound. Qaf is heavy. This is lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Min for kasra give e sound. Sifa is tawassut and ruling it with har. Hamza is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Kha for fatha open jaws. The sound is heavy. Ri ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is ra is light here. Light. Ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light and make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with me. Me will get sifa off. The wasut and ruling it with her. Yeah. For fatha, ya is very soft. For fatha open jaws attached with hamza. Hamza will get abrupt stop because it is shidda letter. So it is bringing in shidda. Yeah. 2 for the circle, let's make it 2 counts long. And then you will give hums on kaf because of the waqf. Yeah, took. And this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. This is mad arid lis sukoon. You for the circle lips, the sound is soft and short. How? Sorry, this ra is light. Har. You har. For fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be light because there is kasra on it. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. You had ha from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be light. For kasra give e sound. You had the who for dhamma circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Nal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ka kaf is light for fatha open jaws. Li for kasra give e sound. Ma for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Mim for kasra give e sound, and this is iqlab, so you are changing the sound of noon into mim. Mim, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time, so keep it here in your nose. Mim ba for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and should be from your throat. Ba'di for kasra give e sound. Ma for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw circling lips, make it 2 counts long. Li, dad is heavy for kasra, give e sound. Ay. For ayn should be from throat. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short with ayn. But on ha, when you are giving sukoon because of the waqf, this is bringing in this rakhawa on ha. Ay. The sound of ha should flow nicely. Yeah, soft for fatha open jaws. Boo, cough is heavy for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. E, in, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached to noon, you get sifat tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound, and ruling is hard here. In, ooh, hamza is very sharp. For dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ta is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Tum for the circle lips attach with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Ha 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. F give hams on fa for top on jaws. The sound is short. Hu is heavy for the circle lip and the sound is short. Du for the circle lips make it 2 counts long. Hu for the circle lips the sound is short. ومخرج of واو is circling your lips ففتح open jaws the sound is short. This is idgham without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Hamza is directly attached with lam. And give tawassut on lam. Lam ففتح open jaws attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Two for ta is sharp. Hamza is sharp. Both sounds are very sharp. For dhamma, sharp means there is no flow of sound at all. For dhamma, circle ellipse attached with hamza, and hamza will get abrupt stop. To tau. Ta is very sharp here. For fatha open jaws attached with waw, and then make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Tau. Hu. For dhamma, circle ellipse, the sound is short. Fa. Give hams on fa, give rakhawa on ha, and ha should be from your throat. Fa. The for fatha open jaw. Ru. Ra is heavy. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips. So fatha open jaws, the sound is short. May. This is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mayu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Eri for kasra, give e sound. Ra is light because there is kasra on it. Eri. Dil for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. The lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Dilla by default it is long. Hu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts. Make it short, and circle your lips. Feet for fa give hams. For kasra give e sound attached with ta, and ta will get hams too, and hams is flow of breaths. Fits. Na. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ta is sharp here. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Who for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. F give hams and fa for fatha open jaws. La for fatha open jaws, and then this ikhfa is light. So keep your tongue straight. Tam, ta is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with meme. Meme is sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka very clear sound. No hums is here. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Who for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Mi for kasra give e sound. Now keep noon light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and lafz jalala is long by default, and ha is very short. He. Shay, this is lean, half lean. So make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Make it 2 counts long. Mad, what is making it 2 counts long? For the circle ellipse, because of the 0, wow is not being pronounced. So this dhamma and hamza will be very short. And sharp. La, 4 counts long. Muttasil wajib. E for kasra give e sound. Kal, kaf for fatha open jaws attached with lam on with get sip of tawassut. La for fatha open jaws the sound is short. The two counts long. Na for fatha open jaws the sound is short. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with mim will get sip of tawassut and ruling it with her. You yeah is soft for the circle lips. Eri ra is light because there is kasra on it. Eri Dil for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be light and it will get tawassut. Why? Because there is kasra before it. Dilla. It is by default, it is long. Hu for the circle lips. Ay idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. You, yeah, is soft for the circle lips and make it short. You, oh. For fatha upon jaws attach it ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa. Oh. He, ha should be from your throat and for with kasra the sound will be short. He, ra is heavy for fatha upon your jaws and with ra whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra, u, qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle lips. Lu, make it two counts long and circle lips. Ba, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum, for dhamma, circle lips attached with me will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Hum, la, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum, for dhamma, circle lips attached with me will get sifa of tawassut and ruling is har. Feed for kasra give e sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of shidda. Feed and then dun for the circle lips attach with noon. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. This is idhar mutlaq. Dun, yeah, two counts long. Khiz, kha is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with za. Za will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir. Khiz, yung, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Zoom, wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hum, for the circle lips attached with me will get sifa of tawassut and ruling it with her. Feel, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Hamza is very sharp, make it two counts long. Khi, kha is heavy for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Aura, ra is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ti, ta is very sharp for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The two counts long. One for this is idhar. The sifa is tawassut and ruling is idhar. Bun, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lim. Because of this waqf, we are giving sukoon on meme. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four counts long vowel. This is called mada arid li sukoon. يا أيها الرسول لا يحزنك الذين يسارعون في الكفر من الذين قالوا آمنا بأفواههم ولم تؤمن قلوبهم ومن الذين هادوا سماعون للكذب سماعون لقوم آخرين لم يأتوك يحرفون الكلم من بعد مواضعه يقولون إن أوتيتم هذا فخذوه وإن لم تؤتوه فاحذروا ومن يريد الله فتنته فلن تملك له من الله شيئا أولئك الذين لم يرد الله أن يطهر قلوبهم لهم في الدنيا خزي ولهم في الآخرة عذاب عظيم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.